Hello all of you, welcome to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes, and today I have come up with Bondi sukkaein. Now Bondi is the Konkani term for vazhakoombu in Malayalam, or it is called as banana flower in English. This is a side dish prepared along with rice and is usually prepared at homes and not served for any festivals or other occasions. Bondi sukkaein is tasty when you use Nendran variety Bondi for the preparation. The second position comes for the Palangodan variety Bondi, and the third position is for the Nyalipu and banana variety Bondi. The preparation of Bondi sukkaein is same for all these, but the only difference is in the taste because of the difference in the variety of banana that you are using for the preparation. Bondi from other varieties of banana cannot be used because they become bitter after cooking. Ingredients. I have taken one bondi, one vazhakoombu or banana flower. I have used Palan cotton variety banana bondi. Then 2 to 3 tablespoons of lentil or tuvar dal, a small lemon-sized tamarind or darbia sol, 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut scrapings, 1 teaspoon chili powder, a small spoon turmeric powder and fresh coconut oil and salt to taste. For seasoning you need mustard, urad dal and fenugreek seeds. Then one more thing I have to tell you with regard to ingredient is that I have used tuvar dal in my recipe, but there are recipes that use green gram also. But addition of tuvar dal will be more tastier than green gram, and it is always better to prepare the bondi sukkaein on the same day you cut the bondi. Then coming to the preparation. So before starting to cut the bondi, apply oil to your hands and fingers, or else they might become black and sticky in the end. Keep water in a container ready so that you can cut the bondi into the water. This is to reduce browning. Now for the bondi, discard the outer pink colored layers. Remove the florets below the pink layer if they have not turned black and put them in water. You can discard the florets that have turned black or brown in color. What I usually do is I usually discard the florets in the outermost layers. So these are the florets that have been shown in the picture. Now before consuming the florets, we have to discard the pistil, that is long filament with a small bulb at the tip. You can see it on the right side of the photograph, of the plate in the photograph. Keep repeating it for the rest of the florets. Now what you have to do is you have to cut the florets after removal of this pistil and cut them on a chopping board and put them in water. Now as you continue to remove the outer pink layers, you will reach the center of the bondi. You will find a white solid part over there. This portion we have to cut into tiny pieces by a method called kotti ariyal in Malayalam. In this method, you have to hit the white solid part with a sharp knife on all sides. It is always better if you use a comparatively wide mouthed vessel so that the scrapings will fall directly in the water. Or if you do not have a big mouthed vessel, you can use a big plate also to put the scrapings. And as the scrapings fall on the plate, transfer them to the bowl filled with water so as to avoid browning. Now preparing the tuvar dal or the lentil. The lentil, what is the speciality of cooking the lentil here is that it should bite it. You should bite it in the sukkaein or the curry you are preparing. So what you have to do is soak 2 to 3 tablespoons tuvar dal for 15 to 30 minutes. Drain the water away from the dal and transfer it to the separator of a pressure cooker. If you don't have the separator for a pressure cooker, you can use any vessel into which you can add the tuvar dal. You need not add water to the lentil in the separator. Then I pressure cook it as follows. After one whistle, simmer the flame and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Then switch off the flame and open the cooker once it has completely cooled down. The purpose of cooking like this is that the lentil will not become overcooked and you would be able to bite into it. You can even cook the dal in a vessel adding water, but it takes a long time, so I have done it like this. Now preparing the sukkaein. Transfer the cut bondi into a wide mouth mixing bowl. Add fresh coconut oil, turmeric powder, chili powder, coconut scrapings, tamarind. I have used tamarind and not brindasol or brindleberry because tamarind is more tastier than brindasol. Cooked tur dal and salt to the cut bondi and mix well. Marinate it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now do the seasoning. Heat oil in a kadai, add mustard seeds. When they splutter, add urad dal. Roast it for a second. Then add fenugreek seeds followed by addition of the marinated bondi into the kadai. Sprinkle little water. This is optional, but I do it. I just sprinkle some water only. Then switch off the flame when done. Your bondi sukkaein is ready to be served. Serve it along with rice. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share